Hello there, everybody. Sorry it's been a while since I made video reviews on DQ Blizzard ice cream treats, but feels good to be back. So this time, it's the Turtle Pecan Cluster Blizzard. See right here? It's really yummy. So what I'm going to do is I'll give it a try and I'll show you guys about a special drawing that I have made. Alright, so here's the blizzard. Really neat. So let's give this a try to see what it tastes like. Yummy. It tastes like yummy pecans. See? Sometimes it tastes like either caramel or chocolate or anything like that. So in my opinion, for this blizzard treat, it's really yummy and delicious. Alright guys, it's time to show you a special drawing of a character that I have made, and here it is. It's Gypsy Star, drawn in a Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer Reagan base style character. You guys might be wondering, wow, that is so cool. Yeah, I agree with that too. I use crayon pencils and I use construction paper and I use Sharpie to draw them. I use silver Sharpie for the hooves and construction paper for the eyeshadow, hair, and some pink antlers. Looks really cool, isn't it? And there's her name, Gypsy Star, in cartoon letters. Isn't she beautiful? And I also really appreciate for taking the time how much you guys enjoy the Duke Lightspeed Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer character drawing that I have made since last time. So yeah. So anyways guys, what do you think about this blizzard treat along with a special reindeer character drawing that I have made? Let me know, what do you guys think in the comment section below, and to let me know if you guys have any more ideas and any ideas for more drawings. So yeah, thank you for watching this video, and give a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and feel free to subscribe to my channel for more videos in the future. That will help me out a lot, and I'll keep you guys updated on these drawings. Maybe I can be a character designer and drawing some designs. So yeah. So anyways guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye for now.